Welcome to the future of motorcycles. Imagine a world where technology and innovation redefine the way we ride. Today, we are diving into the amazing advancements that are set to transform motorcycles as we know them. First up, electric motorcycles. With zero emissions and instant torque, electric bikes are paving the way for a cleaner, quieter, and more efficient future. Brands like Zero, Harley-Davidson with its live wire, and newcomers like Damon Motorcycles are leading the charge. Connectivity is another game changer. Modern motorcycles are integrating with smartphones, offering features like GPS, music control, and even bike diagnostics at your fingertips. Brands like BMW and Ducati are pushing the envelope with their connected bike ecosystems. Safety is paramount, and future motorcycles are getting smarter and safer. Autonomous technology is being developed to assist riders in avoiding accidents. Imagine a bike that can sense danger and take corrective actions to keep you safe. Sustainability is also at the forefront. Solar-powered motorcycles and bikes with regenerative braking systems are on the horizon, promising longer rides with minimal environmental impact. Design is evolving too. Futuristic aesthetics combined with advanced aerodynamics will make future motorcycles not only efficient but also visually stunning. The blend of form and function is set to create bikes that are both beautiful and powerful. Thanks for watching. What innovation are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below.